doing? Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, I want you guys to join me as I use 11,000 naira to cook a good pot of soup. Of course, Egusi soup. So we're going to market, and I think this will be like a vlog. So this will be my first vlog ever. Yeah, I haven't done vlog before, so I don't know how it will go. So let's go. Like I said, we're spending just 11,000 naira. So we're spending just 11,000 naira. Period. I'm back. Man, I'm so exhausted. I'm wanting to eat. Like maybe like buns or anything. I will always make sure that I buy something to eat. Yeah, so I bought those. So I eat my buns first. Then this is it. 500 naira. About my phone is about to die now. I don't even know. I just want to show you guys how I did that and just share you guys my simple recipe. Gonna pour my warm water or warm water to my raw meat before boiling it. So tomato kabitaya. Maggi. No. And my onions. And a little bit of salt. Of course. So guys, here is what I'll be using for my egusi soup. This is my stock fish. I've boiled it with the meat. So this is my meat. This is how my meat is looking. Ugu, egusi, fish, my pepper, and my so my locust beans and onions. No, my red oil. I want to fry the fish and meat first. I'll be using red oil to fry it. So I'm using red oil. much red oil in their food, but I prefer it like this. Like I love it like this. Yeah. So just do your thing. If you like, you can use granite oil. Just do your thing. Okay. So our soup is ready. Our soup is ready. It's giving a big one. A big one. Look at this. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section. I will be glad to know. You know what is missing and what I should do. Don't worry guys. You know, this is my first vlog. I've never done something like this before, so I will do better. Okay, I will do better next time. Thank you. Bye.